everyone,
Hi guys,
welcome back to our English learning channel.
today we will learn something very useful.
Yes, today's topic is talking with a stranger.
Don't worry, it is easy.
Yes, very easy. We will use simple English
Short sentences.
and real life examples.
Let's start.
Jerry, imagine you meet me for the first time.
Okay, you are a stranger to me.
Yes, so how will you start talking?
Maybe I say hello,
Good, very good.
or I can say, excuse me, can I talk to you?
Great sentences. Let's repeat together.
Excuse me, can I talk to you? Again, excuse me, can I talk to you?
Very good.
Now, what will you say?
I will say yes, sure.
Or yes, of course.
Both are correct.
Very simple.
Now, next step is introduction.
Yes, very important. Now we ask name.
Yes, ask like this. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Jerry.
Hi, my name is Emily. Do you know sometimes people say wrong sentence?
Like what?
They say your good name, but correct sentence is what is your name?
Yes, remember this.
Now, after name, what next?
We say, nice to meet you.
Yes, very important sentence. Now, let's talk about place.
Yes, we ask.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. And you?
I'm from Mumbai. Now, let's make it more real.
Yes, real life situation.
You are in a park, you see a new person, you want to talk.
Let's try full conversation. Excuse me, can I talk to you?
Yes, sure.
Hi, my name is Jerry.
Hi, my name is Emily.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Oh, nice. I'm also from Delhi.
Wow, that's great. See, very easy.
Yes, very easy.
Now, next question is about job or study.
We ask, what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Or we can say, I work in an office.
Nice.
Some people say, what are you doing?
Oh, yes.
But that is different.
Yes. What are you doing means अभी क्या कर रहे हो? And what do you do means आप क्या काम करते हैं?
Very important difference.
Now, let's continue conversation.
Okay.
Do you like speak English?
Yes, I like speak English. Now we ask why.
Example, why do you like English?
Because it is very useful.
Now, let's talk about free time.
Yes, common topic.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies. What about you?
I use my phone. Now, let's add a friendly sentence.
Like,
That's interesting.
very nice sentence.
Now, full conversation again.
Yes, practice time. Excuse me, can I talk to you?
Yes, sure.
Hi, my name is Jerry.
Hi, my name is Emily.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Oh, nice. I'm also from Delhi.
Wow, that's great.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English
Why?
because it is useful.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read books.
That's interesting.
Thank you. Now, ending conversation.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Now it's your turn. Answer in comments. If you meet a stranger, what will you say first? Write your answer. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing English. Don't be shy. Speak with confidence. See you in the next video. Bye bye.